In this Discovery Live tutorial, we'll walk through the geometry interface. When you start Discovery Live, you can create a brand new design or simulation, or load one of the pre-existing examples. When you do so, you'll immediately get simulation results on screen, and I can use the middle mouse button or my scroll wheel button to spin the model around or add control to that and move the mouse to zoom in and out. If I want to make edits to the model, over in the edit menu on the left, there's a tool called Pull. Pull is the easiest way to select a face and simply drag with your mouse to change where it is, pulling it in one direction or another. You can always undo a change in the upper left or with Control Z. The Pull tool allows you to select one or more faces simply by using the Control key, and now I can pull on them at the same time and undoing as I wish. When working with assemblies, a very powerful tool is Move along with this Select Components modifier. I can drag a box around the complete back end of the design, select a direction with the Move tool, and simply drag to change the overall length of our assembly. If I want to create something new, we have sketch tools near the editing tools. If I select a 2D reference like a plane or a face on the model, I can select a sketch tool, zoom in. Here I'm going to create a closed region, a simple triangle. And with the Pull tool, I can select that sketch, drag with my mouse, turn it into solid geometry, and the simulation results update instantaneously. I can spin the model around to pull on either side of the model. I can use the Pull tool to continue to edit this design. I can also use the Move tool. Move allows me to take faces and either translate or rotate. I could put the Move tool at any location simply by dragging its center, selecting different faces to move around. I can also work with edges, whether I want to move those, or use the Pull tool to pull some edges into rounds. For a more complete set of editing tools, you'll notice a Design tab at the top. If you click on that, it'll show you a full set of design tools, in addition to some other useful tools for creating and adding geometry to the model. To lock this menu down, you can double-click, and it'll remain in place. Over on the right, you'll notice a structure tree. This contains the objects in our design. So if I wanted to hide anything or just see what sub-assemblies I have to work with, I can access those from the menu on the right. Thank you for watching, and for more information or helpful tutorials like this, please visit ansys.com/discovery.